Little storyteller.
Buster, the big yellow school bus, hummed happily. His driver, Miss Lily, smiled at the children bouncing in their seats. Today felt like any other school day. But Buster had a secret wish. He dreamed of colorful candies and sugary smells. He had heard whispers of the sweet swirl candy factory down the sunny lane. Today, Buster decided, would be an adventure. He gently turned off the regular road. "Where are we going, Buster?" asked Lily, a little surprised. The children giggled. They saw a big building with giant lollipops painted on its walls. It was the Sweet Swirl Candy Factory. Inside, everything smelled sweet. Happy workers in colorful hats stirred huge pots of melted chocolate and twisted rainbow-colored candies. A friendly candy maker with a white apron and a big smile greeted them. "Welcome to our factory. Would you like a little tour?" The children watched in amazement as machines poured liquid candy into lollipop molds. They saw sprinkles raining down on chocolate bars. It was like a magical edible wonderland. Buster watched everything with wide, happy eyes. At the end of the tour, each child received a small bag of colorful candies. Even Miss Lily got a delicious chocolate. Buster felt a happy rumble in his engine. He had taken his friends on a fun adventure. Back on the road, Lily thanked Buster. "That was a sweet surprise, Buster. But next time, let's plan our fun trips together." "Okay." Buster happily beeped in agreement. He learned that surprises are fun, but it's also good to share your plans with friends. And the children learned that even a school bus can have sweet dreams.
Please subscribe. Thank you.